My name is Nidhi Kothari and I want to play the role of host in
Okay.
so I want to play the role of host in a kitchen championship. So shall I start?
Yes.
So welcome to the kitchen championship. My name is Nidhi Kothari and how are you all?
Fine.
I am also fine. So the new guest come with all. So yeah, so I want to introduce the Sneha. She is very talented. She is very talented in cooking, and she won many awards in the cooking show. Please
Wow.
welcome.
Yes, give her the big round of applause.
My name is Sneha Nagmote, and today I want to play the role of guest.
So how are you, Sneha?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine. I am very proud of you because you won many awards. So, which dish? Before you make dish, we want to play one game.
Yes.
So, sure. I have many chits, so you choose one chit, and then in the chit, which name in dish, so you want to make. Okay. So, please. Take
Rava Shira.
Eh? What?
Rava Shira.
We can't see anything else. Okay, Rava Shira. Okay, it's a new dish. Rava Shira.
It's a Marathi dish.
It's a Marathi dish. Yes.
And make Marathi movie.
Yes, and it is made by, okay, it will be presented by the Marathi girl. Okay, Sneha Nandeshwar. What?
So,
Nagmote.
Nagmote. Okay, Sneha, come on.
So before you make dish, I want to tell you some instruction and rule. So first of all, you have only 45 minutes to make dish. And what is your ingredients you want to put in your dish?
Rava and ghee. Their ingredients is rava, ghee, and badam piece and manuka piece. Add all.
Okay.
And there is no sugar.
It's compulsory.
Okay. So are you ready, guys, to eat any food? Are you ready, guys, to eat rava shira?
Yes.
Yeah, but it should be tasty, huh?
Yeah. I wish.
We don't want to take any risk.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
So you have only 45 minutes, so you start. Tell me procedure first.
When we made rava shira, so firstly burn the gas, then take
No.
off-
Fire up the gas. Okay. Put the fire.
put the fire of gas, then take a pot on the gas, then
Then
heat the pot, then add ghee on the pot and 2 minutes wait for heat the ghee, and then after 2 minutes add rava and do another and 2 minutes rest for the rava is shining as a
brownish.
red brownish, yes, red brownish, and then after 2 minutes add sugar, sugar or sugar powder which you like it, and then 5 to 2 minutes rest for cook, then then apply Then apply badam piece or manka piece on the dish, and dish is ready.
Okay, so your dish is ready.
Yes.
Is it badam shira or is it badam upma? But you never add sugar
So she add
and she never use the water.
It's water.
Arey, you never use the water. Is it a rukha sukha shira? Eh? She said that it is rukha sukha shira.
Prasad.
Prasad shira. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
So I call Praveen sir to taste.
No, I don't. Let me show first your halwa. Where is your halwa? Your shira.
So this is the halwa you can taste.
No, but there is no any halwa. You are just showing me. There is no any pot.
So sir just imagine.
Okay, anyway. Wow. It's too tasty.
So how
But-
many marks you
huh?
give to Sneha out of 10?
Yeah, Sneha is a good chef. She comes from which place? Buttibori. Okay. So our studio is in Mumbai and she is from Buttibori. So it is the nice pleasure. Okay, that you come here. So as I play the role of the judge. Okay, so I tested your this Rawa Shira. Okay, it is too awesome. Nice, I like it very much. Okay, and fantastic one.
Okay, so how many marks you want to give to Sneha?
I want to give out of 10. I want to give her 7. Okay.
So, okay, so I want to give you 10 out of 10.
Are? So what is the importance of the judge?
Sir, अपने कम दिएगा sir.
So yeah, you have not to then call me for the judge. Otherwise, you come call me for the judging, and you made my insult. I give the 7 marks, and you said that no, sir. I want to give you the 10 out of 10. So it is unjust.
Judge you and me.
Oh yeah. Oh. She is a host as well as judge.
So the winner of kitchen championship is Sneha Nagmode.
Oh, give her the big round of applause.
So I want to give you the book that in this book there are many recipes that help you. So please, and I want to give you please give me.
Are please clap.
And I want to give you the check.
Check off, yes.
50 lakhs.
Only for one shira. Only for one shira, I can make the better dish than that.
50 rupees. It is not right. It's present.
Okay,
So this is for you.
take it.
So don't.
So how do you feel? Ask her. How do you feel after winning this?
How do you feel after winning this?
I feel awesome.
And how many awards you won because you are the best chef?
There are number of awards.
Only on the shira. Only on shira that she won number of awards. On the another dish also.
So don't go anywhere. We will come back on every Saturday, Sunday on ZTV at 9 o'clock sharp. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. See you then.